Hi everyone, this is your girl, Afusa. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves how to make salt snacks. Puff puff, to be precise, puff puff. So guys, this is all our ingredients. We have our flour, we have our pepper, we have our sugar, we have everything here, and we are going to make a perfect puff puff that you can share among your loved ones. So right now, let's go and take our frying pan.
Run. You waka come.
As you all know, in my kitchen, I'm a very neat chef.
Yes.
So we'll go and wash our frying pan to remove all these concoctions. So we are done washing our frying pan. We put it down like this. Continue. Then we want to take our tray. So right now, we will look for the bowl that we are going to mix our ingredients with our flour. This is our bowl. Let's rinse it.
What of two teachers wired?
So we are using this cup to take our omi that we are going to use it to mix our ingredients. Make sure you wash this very well. So we will now take our flour first. The economy in this country, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's okay like that. In your kitchen, you must know how to manage some things. So you will mix this one together. They call it stirring roll. You use your hand to stir it, so it will come out very okay. You stir it. The flour is very soft.
Continue.
So you will now take your baking powder. Though we are doing puff puff, but baking powder and yeast, you can mix it together to make it come very okay. So when you now mix your baking powder and yeast, it will now swell up. You understand? The problem I want to say swell up. So you open this one.
Why? Are you mad or something?
You can use your hand, you can use your teeth. It's good to use your teeth. Ọlọ́run dá fún lílo wa náà. It's okay like that. Make sure you cover your ingredients back. So you will now take your yeast. Take your yeast. We'll put it like this. Ping. It's okay like that. If you rub and if you soak up, then you return that one too. So I'm trying to show you how I'm doing it, so you will not be confused. You will now stir roll this one. You stir it. You make sure your flour is very soft.
There's no two ways about it.
So right now, you will now take your pepper, because it's good to put pepper inside your puff puff. Whenever you are eating it. So follow me to go and take the knife.
You're a fool. What pepper is it?
This is your knife. So you now slice it. Make sure you slice it very gentle. Slice it very big. Slice it. This one is okay like that. Then you now cover the remaining pepper. Put it here like this. Then you stir it together. You stir the pepper with the flour. You stir it. Okay. So next one now, you are going to take your sugar, because it's very important to put sugar inside your puff pot. Say one label. Take just few sugar, because everything is too expensive in this country. Say it's okay like that. So you now mix it together. You mix it, stir it. As you can all see, it's coming out very nice. So the next thing that we are going to add is our water. As you can see, the water is very clean. You don't pour your water. Make sure you take the measurement of your water, because don't allow your puff puff to be too soft. Don't allow your puff puff to be too hard. You still put water to eat. It depends on how you want it to look like. But me, I want it to be very perfect, so you will be able to share it among your loved one. You share it. You stereo it like you will share it. Let people know what you are doing, that you know this thing. Stir it. I wish you guys are here to see how the puff is coming out very well. So right now we are going to cover our puff and the chef will go and wash our hand. So when we are back, our puff will have swell up, because it's good to cover it up. All the ingredients we mix are normal. Now that we are back, our puff will have be okay. So the puff is woo, and if the puff is not swell up, it's not woo, you can use it like that. It's still part of it. Some puff are actually stubborn. No matter what you do, they will not woo. So right now this one is okay like this. We'll go back to frying method. So this is our lighter. This is our gas. So you now place your frying pan. Sorry, gas. You see, getting to the market, I says. No ororo, no oil, and the oil is very expensive and very scarce. So I now thought of it that we can use second oil, because oil is oil. Palm oil. You can use to fry anything and pour it on your frying pan.
Wait on sir.
Oil is oil. So you cannot use the remaining one that maybe you have left over. Then to stereo is, don't forget, oil is oil. As you can see, our oil is okay to be putting our puff on it. You now wash your hand. Then you now be taking it small.
Chai, there is God.
Jesus!
Photo, not be juju be that. Now the first lady is calling you. Come, I want to help you. Come to find your child, your missing child.
So be taking it small. You can wash your hand also. Then we will now look for fork. That you might turn it. So this is our fork. We will now be turning it very gently. This puff is one in town. See, ready. You turn it very gently. So you will now turn it, and when you are frying your puff, the most important thing is make sure the fire is not too much and it's not too low. So because that the remaining parts will not be done. Do you understand? So you make sure your gas is very low, like my own. So right now you will now take your plate. So as you can see, the puff is coming out so well.
You don't know now, but I'm gonna
tell you taking it one by one. It's very neat.
Not be juju be that. Somebody that went to school.
So you now off your gas. As you can see, our puff is so fresh and so neat. Seeing it like this, as you can see, is very perfect. So I wish many of you can even come into my kitchen to come and taste this delicious puff that you can even take to your oga. You can go and give your boss at work. But don't worry, I will taste it myself. You can share it with your loved ones, share it with your boyfriend, and everybody.
It's so
hope you guys have enjoyed this today's episode. And next week we're going to taste ourselves a perfect cooking. This puff is perfect and overdone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share among your loved ones. See you next class. Bye bye.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.